Hello everyone, my name is Afantino Fabianisi and my ID is 33230089. And today I'm going to present my project 2 for morphophonology. This presentation consists of two parts. In part 1, I will explain the selected topics, syllables and stress-preserving suffixes. And in part 2, I will analyze the given case studies, including linguistic processes, APA transcription, and stress analysis. The analysis in this presentation is based on academic references such as O'Grady, Tamba, McMahon, Leach, Poach, and Blake. Now let me begin with part 1. First, I will explain the concept of syllable. According to O'Grady, 2010, a syllable in the basic phonological unit of a word. A syllable usually contains a nucleus, which is typically a vowel, and it may also include an one set and a coda. The structure of a syllable can be represented as one set plus nucleus plus coda. Syllables function to organize speech sounds, determine stress patterns, and support rhythm and fluency in spoken language. This explanation based on O'Grady contemporary linguistics. Here are 5 examples of syllables with different syllables number. Cat has 1 syllable. Cat. Table has 2 syllables. Table. Beautiful has 3 syllables. Beautiful. Information has 4 syllables. Information. Communication has 5 syllables. Communication. This example shows that each syllable contains a vowel sound that function as the nucleus. And these examples follow the syllable analysis discussed by Lightfoot and Johnson in a course in phonetics. Next, I will explain stress-preserving suffixes. According to McMahon 2002, a stress-preserving suffix is a suffix that does not change the location of stress in the base word. When the suffix is added, the stress remains on the same syllable as in the original word. These suffixes help maintain stable pronunciation, preserve word rhythm, and prevent stress shifting. For example, hope becomes hopeful, and the stress stays on hope. Care becomes careless, with the stress on care. Dark becomes darkness, with the stress on dark. Quick becomes quickly, and happy becomes happiness. And in both cases, the stress does not change. All these examples shows that stress-preserving suffixes do not affect the original stress pattern. This explanation is based on McMahon, an introduction to English phonology and Flex word formation in English. That concludes my part 1 presentation, and now I will continue to part 2, which focuses on case study analysis. In part 2A, I analyze the story told a busy morning at Riverside Learning Center. The story shows several natural speech variation influenced by fast speech, casual conversation, child language development, and dialectal background. The linguistic processes identified are assimilation, metathesis, and epenthesis. This analysis follows phonological processes discussed by Fromkin and Katamba. First, assimilation. Assimilation occurs when a sound becomes more similar to a neighboring sound in fast or connected speech. Examples including going to becoming gonna, kind of becoming kinda, and want to becoming wanna. This change happen because sounds influence each other to make pronunciation easier. Next, metathesis. Metathesis occurs when two sounds switch position with a word. For example, include us, pronounced as us, spaghetti pronounced as spaghetti, and film pronounced as film. This example fit metathesis because the order of sound changes. These examples are explained using theories from Fromkin and Introduction to Language. Epenthesis is insertion of an extra sound, usually a vowel, to make pronunciation easier. For example, film becomes film, an animal becomes animal. Where an extra vowel is added, spaghetti becomes spaghetti with a vowel inserted at the beginning of the word. Grandma becomes grandma, showing simplification in fast or excited speech. This example fit advantages because additional sounds are inserted to simplify difficult consonant clusters. This explanation is based on McMahon discussion of advantages and phonological variation. In part 2b, I read the following words using correct IPA pronunciation. These transcripts follow standard IPA convention for English pronunciation. Number 1, comfortable. Number 2, probable. Number 3, accommodate. Number 4, massive. Number 5, governor. Number 6, texture. Number 7, athlete. Number 8, experience. Number 9, gladiator. Number 10, happening. Number 11, generation. Number 12, moderate. Number 13, service. Number 14, intensity. Number 15, category. Number 16, intricate. Number 17, department. Number 18, gratitude. Number 19, ethical. Number 12, spontaneous. This IPA pronunciation follows the International Phonetics Alphabet as described by Ledforge and the International Phonetic Association. Next, in the last section, I analyze stress patterns in derived words. Stress-preserving suffixes include hopeful, careless, and darkness, where stress remains on the base word. Stress-attracting suffixes include education, musician, and geology, where stress moves to the syllable before the suffix. Stress-shifting suffixes include democratic, economic, and photographic, where the original stress pattern changes completely. This stress analysis is based on like word formation in English and Roach English phonetic and phonology. The references used in this presentation include McMahon, Katamba, Fromkin, Clark, Roach, and O'Grady. That completes my Project 2 presentation. I have explained two topics in part 1 and analyzed our section in part 2, including assimilation, metathesis, emethesis, IPA pronunciation, and stress patterns. Thank you very much for your attention. Okay, bye.